Before going to our portion, let us discuss a small incident. A lady was walking through the street and she just saw two children walking nearby. She thought of asking them some questions and she decided to ask something related to maths. So she asked them, what is 13 plus 2 into 14 minus 10? The boy suddenly told the answer is 13 plus 2 into 4, that is 13 plus 8, which is equal to 21. But the girl told, no, it is 15 into 4, that is 60. We also used to have same kind of confusion always. Am I right? Let us go for a solution for this problem. Here I am going to give you an easy tip for the method to be done in right way. Just remember the word BODMAS. Have you ever heard of the word BODMAS? Then what is BODMAS? Here in BODMAS, B indicates bracket, O indicates off, D indicates division, M indicates multiplication, A indicates addition, and S indicates subtraction. While solving an equation, we can use this order from up to down. Now we'll go through the question which was asked first. That is 13 plus 2 into 14 minus 10. We got two answers before. Now we'll check which answer is the correct one. So here in this question, addition is given, multiplication is given, bracket and subtraction is given. Here multiplication symbol is not there, but it is 2 into 14 minus 10. So as per BODMAS rule, we need to do bracket first, and inside bracket subtraction is given, and second multiplication, and then finally addition. So the question will become 13 plus 2 into 14 minus 10. So inside bracket 14 minus 10 is there, that will do first. So it will become 13 plus 2 into 4. Next we need to do multiplication, so it will be 13 plus 8. 4 into 2 is 8. And the final answer is 21. So the boy was right. Now let us go for some more examples. One question is 100 minus 3 into 20 plus 50 minus 40. Here two brackets are given. First one is the outer square bracket, A. Inside one normal bracket is given. So we need to do the inside bracket first. So the answer will be 100 minus 3 into 20 plus 10, because 50 minus 40 will become 10. And next the other bracket, that will be 100 minus 3 into 30. 20 plus 10 will become 30. So next multiplication and finally subtraction. So 100 minus 3 into 30 will be 90, and 100 minus 90 will become 10. Now let us do one more question. 5 into 10 minus 2 of 10 plus 30 minus 20 minus 5. So here 3 brackets are given. Outside one square bracket, inside one set bracket, and finally one normal bracket. So we'll do the interior bracket first. So the step will be 5 into 10 minus 2 of 10 will become 2 into 10, and plus 30 minus 20 minus 5 will be 15. And in the next step, the next interior bracket, that is 5 into 10 minus 2 into 10, we can write it as 20, and 30 minus 15 will be 15. Next step, 5 into 10 minus 35. 20 plus 15 is 35, which is equal to 50 minus 35, doing multiplication before subtraction. So the final answer is 15. Hope you understood the topic well and you will follow while you are doing this kind of questions. Thank you.